Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am so excited to unbox and share this deck with you all. This is the Human Spirit Oracle, Learning to Reconnect by Jena Dellagrottaglia. This is her first solo deck, so thank you so much to Jena and to Rockpool for sending this deck my way. I am so excited. Okay. So this retails for $26.95 in the US and $19.99 in the UK. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Okay, so let's get into this. So it says, what does it mean to coexist and connect with one another with respect and dignity? In today's world, it is so easy to feel alone, even with so much going on around us. The Human Spirit Oracle is about what we all universally experience as humans and reminds us that we are all connected. Best-selling artist Jena Dellagrottaglia was inspired to create vibrant, wild, symbolic art for every human to identify with and to make us think about the feeling it evokes. The artwork promotes diversity in gender and ethnicity and love for each other, not only on a spiritual level, but on a human one. So open your heart and enjoy this journey called life. Includes 44 cards and a guidebook. All right, so there's the side there. It's so pretty already. A guide to navigating life with gratitude and kindness. We have a ribbon. Nice ribbon too, I might add. Okay, so before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's any important information we need to know. All right, introduction, how to use the cards, and then the cards' meanings. I love a table of contents. Okay. So pretty. All right, welcome human. Guess what? If you're reading this, you have stumbled upon a not so secret secret. You suffer from being human, just like the rest of us. The purpose of this deck is to bring to light that we are all, first and foremost, a human, and though our journeys are unique, the trials we face connect us. Find the spark and rekindle your humanity. Get back to us, to our souls, to our minds authentically. There is enough minutia and poppycock out there, making it easy for us to forget we are all in this together. We have created this deck from not only a place of love, but also with the best intentions for every human from all walks of life to feel comfortable using it. First of all, I love that. Thank you so much, because again, these are tools. These tools are for everyone to feel comfortable using. To work with these cards, you just have to have a clear intention, an open mind, and a desire to connect with yourself. We suggest meditation, exercise, and dance, whatever it takes to relax you and free your mind. Okay. This was created with two meanings for each card, and that's why we have provided an upright as well as reverse messages. Both messages are meant to help you along your human experience, and there are no rules or restrictions on how to use this deck. Use your intention or an intuition with the deck to see how you would like to use it and work with a message that speaks to you. So we have a 1-card daily message pull, a beginning, middle, and the end pull, a week and depth pull, and then we go into the cards. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, look at the back. That's so pretty, kind of Art Nouveau style. Let's talk about cardstock. It's not bad. It snaps back. I'm not mad at it. It's on the thinner side, but it snaps back. And it's a good size too. It's got like a smidge of a gloss to it, but I would call it matte. Oh, look at the edges. Green foil. I love it. Any way the wind blows. Oh my gosh. So we have a number and a title. Look at how stunning. Oh. Commune with Nature. I'm going to read the card titles out just because the font might not pick up on the video here. What goes around comes around. Oh my gosh. Karma Act 2. I love that. Fishbowl. Gorgeous. Unlock your mind. All aboard. Little train with a tunnel there. Interesting. I'm golden. Beautiful. Baby, I'm a star. Wow. Road less traveled. Midas touch. Broken open. Ooh. Hit your target. Master of Destiny. Look at all those keys. Ooh, not my circus, not my monkeys. Oh, hothead. Some days it does feel like that, doesn't it? Easy does it. Oh, I love it. It says dream down there. Oh, I'm possible. Butterfly effect. That is gorgeous. Oh, support system. Oh, look at the hand in the corner there. Oh, I love that. Ooh, siren song. Wallflower. I love the art style. Ooh, eye to eye. Head in the clouds. Oh, sweet. Make a wish. Bound for boundaries. Love that. Give it a whirl. Face the music. Oh, wow. Head over heels. Against the clock. Oh, it says time flies down in the corner. Cry for the moon. Homebody. Oh, that's cute. Ducks in a row. Oh my gosh. Love it. Eat your words. Oh my gosh. No strings attached. Every time I hear this saying, it goes straight to the early 2000s with the NSYNC album. Yes, I was a NSYNC fan. Too many hats. Ooh. Count your chickens. Interesting skull. Forever young. Life of the party. Blessing in disguise. Pull yourself together. Third eye blind. Spill the tea. I love it. Oh my God. Fun. And the last one, manifest your miracle. Oh, I love. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you this is a very versatile deck. I think it's gorgeous. Fun. I love the play on words. I love the art. And it shuffles beautifully. And it shuffles great this way too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're gonna read the each your words here. Number 34. Okay. Nice. Hangry? Well, you better taste those words before you consume them. Sometimes all sorts of things come out of people's mouths. Maybe you think being snarky or rude is cute or funny, but here is the real. You never know what someone is going through. Everyone is going through something that is relative to them, and we never know quite how they will digest your words. A kind word can go a long way in the era of Karen and Ken. So douse those words in sugar if you intend on eating them. Bitter words can make you cocky and gag. Reverse. We like big butts and we cannot lie. Or maybe we don't when we're the butt of a joke, or if we are on the receiving end of someone's forked tongue. We must learn that sometimes people have nothing nice to say or don't believe in you, but you can take this as an opportunity. Use this as fuel. Make them eat their words. Prove them wrong about who they think you are. Be the bigger person. Serve that right back to them on a silver platter with a side of salt. Ooh, I love the snarky. I love the sassy. Let's see what this one says too. Hit your target, because that one came out. Let's see here. All right. Ready, aim, fire. We see you have been practicing your skill of hitting your mark. Well done, because whatever project or adventure you are on, know that you are so close to that bullseye. You are hitting that target. It might feel strange when everything falls into place, everything clicks, but you worked hard for this. It is okay to enjoy success, enjoy the journey, and take a moment to pat yourself on the back. Skills take time, practice, and patience. Hitting your target is no different. You know what you want and exactly how to get it. There is absolutely no shame in your game. The reverse, hitting your mark takes concentration. Are you distracted lately? Are you being torn in 12 different directions? You cannot give 100% to 12 different things at the same time and expect a good result. It is time to prioritize and learn to say no. You have your own goals that need to be met rather than always assisting in side quests for other humans and their goals. Sometimes you need to be selfish in order to be a better version of you. Just like safety rules on a plane, you must get your own oxygen before helping someone else. Now go hit your target. All right, I am in love. This is fun, it's cute, it's very accessible, it's diverse, it's great. I think this deck is literally fresh air. It is like a breath of fresh air. So fun, so pretty. I am so pleased with it. I think it's beautiful. I think there's something for everybody in this deck. I think you definitely can use this for a multitude of different ways, such as a daily pull, what you need to focus on, what you need to let go of, all sorts of different things, confirmation for your tarot readings, whatever the case may be. This is beautifully done. I am so happy for Jena. I am so excited to get to know this deck more. It might just become a new favorite. So I'm excited. I think the price point is great. I love the guidebook. I think it's fun. It breaks it down in a way that makes sense and is accessible. So now I'm going to turn it over to you all. What do you think about this deck? Are you excited? Is this something that interests you? Is this something that you would use on a daily basis? How would you use it? Or is this a pass for you? Because I know a lot of people don't like, you know, real looking human faces in their deck too. So let me know all of your thoughts down below and let me know what you think about this. Thank you so much to Jena and to Rockpool for sending this deck my way. I really do appreciate it. That made my day. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Let me know your favorite card down below. See if you can find an emoji for it. Let me know again all your thoughts. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.